In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting on Google Meet in 2025. Whether you're planning a virtual hangout with friends, a business meeting, or a collaborative team session, mastering the art of scheduling on Google Meet can save you time and hassle. So let's dive in and make sure you're ready to host your next meeting with ease. First things first, you will need access to Google Meet. Start by opening your web browser and typing in the URL meet.google.com. This will take you straight to the Google Meet homepage where all the magic happens. You'll find yourself on a clean and simple interface which is designed to direct you to the most essential functions of creating or joining a meeting. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the New Meeting button. It's usually visible towards the top of the page and acts as your gateway to creating a meeting from scratch. Clicking this button presents you with several options. And for our purposes, you'll want to select Schedule in Google Calendar. This option allows you to seamlessly incorporate your meeting into your existing Google Calendar, keeping everything organized in one place. Now comes the fun part, filling in all the meeting details. When you're in Google Calendar, enter the title of your meeting to give it a distinctive identity. It could be something as formal as Quarterly Business Review, or something more casual like Friday Catch-Up. Next, pick the date and time that suits everyone. Make sure you're considering different time zones if your attendees are spread out globally. It's always a thoughtful gesture to double check everyone's availability, possibly using Google Calendar's built-in scheduling tool, which highlights when everyone is free. After setting the time and date, add participants by typing their email addresses in the specified field. This process ensures that each participant receives an email invitation with all the meeting details, including a link to join the Google Meet. Inviting participants this way is convenient and leaves little room for confusion, as everyone receives the same information. With all your details neatly filled in, the final step is to hit the Save button. This action will confirm and finalize all your Meet details. Google Calendar will automatically send out invitations to all the emails you've entered, and from there everything is set in motion. And there you have it, you've successfully scheduled a meeting on Google Meet in 2025. By integrating it with Google Calendar, you ensure your digital gatherings are organized and efficient. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to sharpen your scheduling skills. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope your future meetings go smoothly and productively.